up, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Hey, as you can see, it's Moto time. I got the Z3 in just for you guys. I'm going to unbox it and run through what's on the inside of the box, and then I'm going to probably give you some more videos a little later, some impressions videos and other things like that. Now, first off, this is a Amazon Prime special order. Now, what that means is I ordered it through Amazon, and when you order through Amazon, you get a slight discount. I got $50 off of the regular price. It comes with a battery mod, which I think all Moto Z3s come with, is a battery mod. But for sure, this one has one as part of the Amazon deal. And it does have Alexa on board. So it does have a lot of Amazon apps. But the good thing about it is those things can be removed if you don't like it. So, boxing knife. Shouldn't be just difficult. Let me find a nice spot to cut it. Right there. Paper out the way. Oh, slides. Oh, nice presentation. Look at this. It's like a book. Oh, it's got a little tape up here, guys. Being trolled. Nothing on the bottom. All right. Hello, Moto. Sweet. Nice booklet. Intro. Nothing on that. Just to protect the front. Now, here we are, greeted with the phone. Nice 6-inch display. Man, this is a very nice looking phone to me, in my opinion. I like the sleek build in this. I got this, seems like a coral blue. Also, what's new is fingerprint sensor is moved to the side, as you can see right here. Volume up and down rocker. A texture power button. USB Type-C. Pins for the mods. Your SIM card is stored up top. And your SD card. One microphone. And an earpiece, which also doubles as a speaker. And let's peel this off. Nice and clean. All right, let's check out what else is in there. Hello, Moto. Books. Greeted with your instruction books and your SIM tool ejection pin. All right, let's see what else is in. This is a pretty heavy box too. Here's your mod. One good thing from what I understand about this thing, they have what they call TurboPower. It charges fast. You can get a half a day of power within an hour of charging using the TurboPower. And then you add this mod in there, and you got all day life without having to worry about charge. All right, you got your USB Type-C cable. We're living the dongle life, so you got that right here. And your power brick, your TurboPower power brick, like I said, gives you a half charge. Using a half hour, gives you a half a day. So that's pretty good. And that's pretty much it in the box. All right. I'm gonna power this baby up right quick and let you know, let y'all see the boots. Real nice phone. I like this. Do I have anything on the side here I can compare it with? Here's my OnePlus. Let's compare the size. Oh, that's sweet. They're about the same size. It's unnoticeably different. From a width standpoint, the Moto might be a tad wider than the OnePlus, and if a lot thinner, without a doubt. The OnePlus is thinner. And I like that because it makes things like the battery mod not, less intrusive, if you catch what I'm saying. What other phone I got here? Oh, I got my iPhone. Way smaller. And from a thickness standpoint, without the camera hump involved, they're pretty much the same. But that's pretty good. I like that. Do I got any other phones on deck? The LG G7, smaller and thinner, but the G7 is thicker than the Moto Z3 Play. So what's going on here? So this is a 6-inch edge-to-edge, max vision full HD display, 18:9 aspect ratio. It is running Android 8.1 out the box, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable storage up to 2 terabytes. It is running a Snapdragon 636 processor with an Adreno 509 GPU, 4 gigs of memory. Does have the fingerprint sensor on the side, like I said. The battery size without the mod is 3000 milliamp, and it does have a 15-watt turbocharger that I showed you in the box. So if you measure it, there's a 79% screen to body ratio. The technology that's used in this display, in this HD display, is a Super AMOLED panel. It does have Corning Gorilla Glass 3. This is a 1080p resolution though with this display, and it weighs about 156 grams, and I think they call this color Deep Indigo. Real quick, the rear camera is a 12 megapixel f1.7, and there's a 5 megapixel which is for depth, and also autofocus. It could do 4K up to 30 frames per second. The front facing camera is an 8 megapixel with an f2.0 aperture, and that's pretty much it. The front camera has cinematograph, photo, a portrait mode, a group selfie mode, and it has a YouTube live mode. So for all you guys out there who are into doing YouTube videos. And it does do 1080 at 30 frames per second. And the front camera can do time-lapse video, slow motion video, and video face filter. So I'm going to give you some more information on this. I'm about to set this up, play around with this, let you guys know what I think about this. Oh yeah, one more thing. Oh yeah, one front facing speaker is only in the earpiece. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any other questions, leave those down below. Look forward to giving you my impressions within the next day and a half or so, my first 24 hours. I'm going to slip my SIM in this and set everything up right now. Other than that, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.